Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna discuss how to fix Instagram Reels option not showing. This is new problem of Instagram, but it's showing on the me. I tell you to how to fix. So first of all, you want to open up your App Store and then Play Store. So you want to tap on this search bar and then search for Instagram. So search for Instagram and then check whether the update is showing or not. This update is showing, so update the Instagram app. I'm already updated, so check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is, first of all, you have to launch your settings app and then scroll it below and then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage and then wait some seconds to open the iPhone storage. As you can see guys, it opens. Scroll it below, tap on Instagram and then upload the app and reinstall and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem doesn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is open your Instagram and then tap on this profile, tap on three lines, tap on setting and privacy, help and then tap on report a problem and then tap on this report a problem without shaking. So continue and then give this feedback. I'm giving you the description and copy there and then add the report a problem and then add your upload photo. So upload that. So take screenshot if you're not showing a reels option, so tap on this send and your request will be sent to the Instagram team and Instagram can tell to you the your email and your problem was fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me know in the comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.